Dear GATE aspirants, in this video we'll discuss about the step-by-step procedure of GATE 2022 online application. First of all, you need to enter the official website of IIT Kharagpur, which is gate.iitkgp.ac.in. There you can see many details regarding GATE 2022, informations, old question paper, exam cities, etc. A candidate can appear in one or maximum of two papers in GATE 2022 and should be fill only one application form, and he need to pay twice if he is applying for two papers. Apart from this, there is something important announcement is there. First one is two paper combination. If you have any confusion for choosing your combination paper, a detailed video already there in channel. You can find it in the description box. Also, there have other important announcement regarding foreign candidates, new papers in GATE 2022, question paper pattern, new pattern in AR paper, PWD candidate guidance, etc. And you have to remember some important dates, that is 2nd September, 24th September, etc. Then we are directly going to the online application process, where you can see the online application button on the top. When you are entering to the online application process, first you have to face some important instruction there. You need to update your Aadhaar or any photo ID proof if it is not a recent one, and scan a colored photo copy of your photograph for the application purpose. If you are already enrolled, you can log in with your Gmail ID and password. If you are not already enrolled, then you will be a new user and you need to enroll first. So you need to enter your first name as per your identity proof. It will be some Aadhaar or any type of identity proof. First name, middle name, and surname will be there. You can see the combined name in the bottommost rectangular box. If it is okay, you can confirm. Then there another checkbox will be there, and you need to enter a Gmail ID or email ID for your next process, because you need to verify the Gmail ID and your mobile number before applying that process. So you need to enter the Gmail ID and confirmation email ID. Then select the country of residence. As if you are in Indian, you can directly choose that, and then type your mobile number. You need to verify these two things in Gmail ID and mobile number after this process. Again, you need to confirm your mobile ID and you need to create one password. It will be better to create a better password, and note it down somewhere. Once again, I'm telling that you need to remember that password for your login purpose, so it will be better to note it down somewhere. And you need to fill that checkbox details 5 plus 1 equal to 6 or something like that, will be there, and then after that you can submit that. You need to log in again for your following purpose or following steps for the GATE 2022 application. So you need to enter your Gmail ID and password there. And one more box is there, that is 8 minus 3 equal to something like 5. You need to enter that too before submitting. After submitting, you can see a checkbox regarding your application status, and which is asking to go through the information browser before filling the application form. And if you are okay with that, you can directly go to the next page. In the next page, you can see there are 5 stages to proceed for the application purpose. That is exam details, personal details, address for correspondence, qualifying degree details, and the upload document stages. So in the exam details, you can select how many papers you are appearing for, one or two. If you are choosing two papers, you have to choose the right combination. If you are choosing civil engineering as the primary consideration, you can choose three options, which will be given in the description video. You can check there, and the corresponding only the combination papers are allowed to represent for the two paper combination. So you can choose that, and then the next examination city you can choose according to your preference, like city 1 your first preference, city 2 the second preference, and city 3 the third preference. And you can save and continuously go to the next stage. And in the next stage you can see the personal details, where you can the enrolled ID and your name will be there, and you need to verify your Gmail ID and mobile number before proceeding to the next stage. So you can verify there, and the date of birth and other details regarding your personal things you can enter it there. Country of permanent residence you need to enter, and it will be most of the cases it will be in India. And the state or union territory you have to select, and which valid ID proof you are giving. Most of the cases it will be Aadhaar card, and or anything like that, government approved ID proof you can select. And you need to enter the ID number and your parents name and country of residence of parent, and mobile details will be there. You need to enter all these data as a personal details for the GATE 2022 application. For the next stage, you need to enter your address for correspondence. It will be including the PIN code and country name, state which you are belongs to, and the address line of your residence. All things will be there. And the next stage, you need to enter the qualifying degree details. At the first time, you need to enter the PIN code of your studying college, and if you are already completed your formal college details will be entered. And if you are outside Indian, some code will be there also to enter. And all the details regarding your college you need to enter here, which country your college belongs to, which state your college belongs to, college city, town, and institution. And most importantly, you need to enter your college registration number or roll number, which is not the enrollment ID already given to the GATE enrollment ID. It is only your institution registration number for your degree exam. And you need to choose which degree you are belongs to. Most probably it will be BE or BTech degree, or other many courses will be there. You can choose it from there. And next one, you need to choose your discipline of qualifying degree. If you are a BTech degree holder, you can choose it will be from computer engineering or civil engineering, mechanical engineering, which branch you are belongs to. Another checkbox is there, have you come graduated or not. If you are already graduated, you can write there your graduation year. If you are not graduated, you can write the which year you will be going to graduate. And the degree awarding university institution name you need to enter. If you are start entering your college name, it will be shown there. Otherwise you need to fill the your college name in the full form. It is applicable for both your awarding university and college name. After filling that, you can go to the last stage, that is the uploading document stage, where you can see the upload the color photographs. There are some specification regarding the photographs will be there, which are the size and width of the photograph, and how much MB or how much KB will be the maximum size for the photographs. And you can do it in online if you have a passport size photographs, and you can do it in online for the particular height and width, and upload it in the JPG format. Okay, same things you have to follow for the signature. Some specifications are there for the height and width of the photographs, and the maximum and minimum size of the photographs also will be there. And if you are uploading your photo valid ID proof, it will be in PDF format only, and the maximum size also will be there. You can check it there. Or if you have to convert your maximum size, you can do it in online also. When you are uploaded all the documents, you can see it in the right side of your page. And the last stage, you need to enter the where did you get from the details about the GATE 2022. If it is in online or anything regarding that, you can enter it directly there. Then last stage, you need to review and submit your form. It will be the final stage of the application process. After that, you need to log in again for your payment. If you are attending one paper, you need to pay 1500 for male candidate, 750 for female candidates. If you are attending for two papers, twice you have to pay. That will be the complete step-by-step procedure for the GATE 2022 application. Thank you.